While our schools have given us plenty of knowledge, there's one thing they've failed to teach us: the real game-changing secrets of money. Today, we're going to unmask the shocking truth that's been hiding in plain sight, and I promise you, it's going to change the way you think about your financial future. Number 1. The rat race, a vicious cycle. Alright, folks, let's start by defining what the rat race really is. It's that seemingly endless cycle of working for a paycheck just to pay bills and make ends meet. It's like a hamster wheel, and many of us are stuck in it. But why? Well, school didn't quite prepare us for this reality, did it? The rat race, as we know it, is a cycle that often begins as we enter the workforce. We go to school, get our diplomas and degrees, and then we find a job to earn a paycheck. We work tirelessly, sometimes in jobs that don't align with our passions or aspirations, just to pay the bills, service loans, and make ends meet. This cycle can be incredibly draining, both physically and emotionally. Many people find themselves on this hamster wheel, working long hours and feeling perpetually stressed about their finances. It's like a never-ending treadmill with no clear exit. But why are we trapped in this cycle? A significant part of the answer lies in our education system. While schools equip us with academic knowledge, they often neglect to provide essential lessons on personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. As a result, we graduate with knowledge about history, mathematics, and literature but are ill-prepared to handle our own finances and make informed decisions about our economic futures. It's not to say that traditional education is worthless. Academic knowledge is undeniably valuable. However, to achieve true financial freedom and escape the rat race, we need more than academic prowess. We need practical knowledge about managing money, investing wisely, and building wealth. Topics often missing from school curricula. This is where we need to bridge the gap and take matters into our own hands. It's time to acknowledge what school didn't teach us about money and take the initiative to educate ourselves about the principles of financial independence. Number 2. What school taught us. When we think about our school days, we remember countless hours spent memorizing historical dates, dissecting Shakespearean sonnets, and solving complex algebraic equations. These academic skills are undoubtedly important and have their place in education. However, one must question whether they adequately prepare us for the real world and the challenges of personal finance. In many classrooms, the art of balancing a checkbook, understanding the power of compounding interest, or navigating the intricacies of the stock market remains conspicuously absent from the curriculum. Few of us have been taught how to create passive income streams, invest wisely, or even understand the basics of taxes. The result: we leave school with a plethora of academic knowledge but little practical understanding of how to navigate the complex world of money and finance. This isn't to say that academic knowledge is without value. It undoubtedly is. But to free ourselves from the relentless cycle of the rat race, we must also possess a fundamental understanding of how money works and how to make it work for us. The first step towards financial liberation is recognizing what school failed to teach us about money. It's time to bridge that gap and start filling in the missing pieces ourselves. Number 3. The power of financial education. So, what can we do to escape the rat race and achieve financial freedom? It all starts with financial education. The good news is, it's never too late to start learning. In fact, the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the world of finance. The key to breaking free from the suffocating grip of the rat race lies in education, specifically, financial education. Fortunately, the power of knowledge is at our fingertips, and it's never too late to start learning. You see, the good news is that there is an abundance of resources out there, waiting for you to explore and tap into. Books, online courses, seminars, and podcasts offer a wealth of information on financial literacy and wealth-building strategies. These resources are the stepping stones to a brighter financial future. By embarking on a journey of self-education, you'll gain valuable insights into budgeting, saving, investing, and growing your wealth. Financial education empowers you to make informed decisions about your money, breaking free from the shackles of financial insecurity and dependency on the traditional employment model. So, whether you're starting with the basics or diving into advanced financial strategies, remember that the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complex world of finance. Knowledge is the key that unlocks the doors to financial independence, and it's in your hands to use it to your advantage. Number 4. The road to financial independence. Now that you've embarked on your financial education journey, it's time to transform that knowledge into action. Escaping the rat race isn't just about what you know. It's about how you apply that knowledge in your everyday life. So, let's talk about the essential steps on the road to financial independence. First and foremost, Creating a budget is the foundation of smart financial management. This doesn't mean cutting out all the things you love, but rather understanding where your money is going and making intentional choices. By budgeting, you can identify unnecessary expenses, prioritize your financial goals, and allocate your resources effectively. Eliminating financial waste is a crucial step because it frees up funds that can be directed towards investments. These investments should be chosen wisely. Think about assets that have the potential to generate passive income, such as rental properties, dividend-yielding stocks, or starting your own business. The goal is to make your money work for you, not just toil endlessly for it. Keep in mind that financial independence doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a clear vision of your financial goals. The more you can save and invest wisely, the closer you'll get to breaking free from the confines of the traditional employment model and achieving true financial independence. So start today, make that budget, invest wisely, and take control of your financial destiny. Number 5, breaking free. Escaping the rat race isn't an overnight process, and it requires commitment and discipline. But the freedom and peace of mind that come with financial independence are more than worth it. As we wrap up this journey towards financial freedom, it's essential to understand that escaping the rat race isn't an instantaneous transformation. It's a process that demands commitment, discipline, and the ability to stay focused on your goals. You'll encounter obstacles, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. There will be days when you question if it's all worth it, but the answer is a resounding yes. The moment you break free from the cycle, you gain something invaluable: control over your financial destiny. Financial independence isn't just about having more money. It's about having more freedom and peace of mind. It's the ability to design your life on your terms, to chase your dreams, and to make choices based on what truly matters to you. Imagine waking up every day excited about your work or having the time and resources to travel to the places you've always dreamed of. Picture yourself investing in experiences and making a positive impact on the world. It's not a fantasy. It's a reality for those who dare to escape the rat race and work diligently towards financial independence. You have the power to make this dream a reality. With the right financial education, commitment, and wise choices, you can build a future where you are in the driver's seat, charting your own course. So, my friends, I encourage you to take these lessons to heart, to start your financial education journey, and to keep moving forward. The freedom and peace of mind that come with financial independence are worth every step of this remarkable journey.